Morning, all of you. Thank you for subscribing and sharing my videos. Today, actually, in last class, I discussed already limits some concepts. Today, I'm discussing about some more concepts, important formulas. Actually, in IP or in other competitive exams, JEE and MSET, IIT, all exams using these formulas, important formulas. I will discuss now. In limits in important formulas, please see the formulas. By using the formula, what is the example? That also I will discuss. Please listen. First one, important formulas. Important formulas in limits. In limits. Okay. First, important formulas belongs to which functions? First of all, that is, I am assuming one set s equal to x sin x tan x and tan hx sin hx next tan inverse x sin inverse x tan h inverse x sin h inverse x like this. X means x related any algebraic functions and trigonometric functions, two functions only, that's sin and tan, and hyperbolic functions tan hx sin hx, and inverse functions tan inverse x sin inverse x, and hyperbolic inverse function tan h inverse x sin h. Okay, based on these functions, some important formulas is there. Problems also almost 50-60% based on this related functions only giving in limits. X means algebraic functions. That formulas by using these functions. Okay, first formula, limit x tends to 0, f1 mx plus or minus f2 nx by g1 of px plus or minus g2 qx is equals to m plus or minus n by p plus or minus q. This is the formula. Okay. F1 means first function, F2 means second function, denominator also second different function. This is the first function, this is the second different function, that is G1 and G2. Two functions, total four functions is there. Means two functions only. Two functions belongs to, one function belongs to F1, F2. First function belongs to F1, F2. Second function belongs to G1, G2. Okay. Like this, any two functions is giving, like this form. What is the formula? That coefficients, m is the coefficient of first function, n is the coefficient of second function, p is the coefficient of first function, and q is the coefficient of second function. That is only you taking m plus or minus n by p plus, directly applying, don't simplify. Means this is by using in shortcut methods and competitive exams, mainly in competitive exams. Board exams compulsory can solving. In competitive exams, applying like this formulas. What is one example I am taking? Example right now. Limit x tends to 0 sin ax by tan bx. Sin ax by tan bx. Here it is f1 of x. Here g1 of n of x. Means what is the formula? Like this, m by n, only coefficients. M by n means how much? M is equal to how much? This m equal to a. N equal to how much? B. That answer is a by b. Simple. Answer is a by b. Like this. Next second example. Limit x tends to 0 sin 7x plus sin 5x by tan 5x minus tan 2x. This is the problem. Like this, by using this concept only na. Here what is the here plus is there na? That's why you taken 7. Coefficient, what is the coefficient? 7. Here plus is there, plus you take. Here what is the coefficient? 5. By here what is the coefficient? Tan coefficient 5. Here what is the sign? Minus. What is the coefficient? 2. 7 plus 5 by 5 minus 2 by using this formula. That equals to 7 plus 5 equal to 12. 12 by 3. 12 by 3 means answer is 4. Like this first formula. Okay. Like this first formula. Remember this type of formula. Any formulas. Means we taken that like this functions only na. Sin x, cos x. That only I am taking. This functions is repeating. Like this any question is giving. Apply this formula. Okay. Thank you. Next second formula. Second formula. Second formula. This is the first formula. Next second formula. I will discuss second formula. Second formula. Limit x tends to 0 f1 power mx, okay, f1 power m into ax, f2 power m into bx by g1 power p cx into g2 power q into dx is equals to a power m b power n by c power p d power q. Last example, last formula. In last formula, here sign is not there, only that is addition and subtraction. But here addition is not there, subtraction is done, multiplication of two functions. Last formula is addition and subtraction is there. Please observe, last formula, first formula, that is addition and subtraction, but here multiplication of two functions, numerator and denominator, and powers also there. Powers also there. What is the condition? Same again coefficients, a power here m and b power n. Here again coefficient c power p. Same again coefficient, but multiplication only. Last one is addition and subtraction. This is only multiplication. Example. Limit x tends to 0 sin cube 2x tan square 3x by x into sin power 4x is equals to here what is the sin x coefficient? 2. Power how much? 3. Apply this formula. And tan x coefficient 3. In power how much? Square. Here x is there means x is 1 power 1. That is x is there. X coefficient 1 power 1 into 4 power 4. Simplify. 2 cube means 8 into 9 by 4 power 4. 4 power 4 equal to how much? 4 power 4 equals to, that is 32. 8 into 9 by 4 cube. For now 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, 64 4 ja 128. Simplify that one. 128 simplify. 4 2 ja 8. Here 4 3 ja 12. 9 by that is 18 by 32. Antena? Sorry. 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8. 2 into 9 by 32, that is 18 by 32. This is the one example like this. Understand? In first formula is in addition and subtraction is there, that is a plus b by c plus d. But here only multiplication of two functions and power also included, a power m b power n by c power p into d power q. Like this, remember. Have to read like this. And how to remember means first formula is sin c is there, but here only multiplication. Like that, maintain difference. Okay. Next, third formula. Limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos ax by g1 of cx g2 of dx. 1 minus cos ax by equals to a square by 2cd. Here also coefficients. Here denominator multiplication is there, that's why you multiply coefficients. 1 minus cos ax means what is the coefficient here? A, that's why taken a square by 2cd. A square by 2cd formula. Okay, like this function, any function, 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 3 theta, any function is given, denominator, any two functions, different functions is giving, apply this formula, a square by 2cd. Example, please write down, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x by x square. 1 minus cos 2x by x square. 1 minus cos 2x by x square. What is a square means 2 square by 2cd. cd means your coefficients is only 1. Okay. What 2c into d 1. 2 into 1 into 1. That is 2 square means 4 by 2. That is 4 by 2 means that equals to 2. That answer is 2. Okay. Remember. Okay. Like this. Fourth formula. For example, same formula, third formula like this. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos power n into ax by g1 of cx into g2 of dx. In the third formula, power is not there. 1 minus cos ax by g1 c of x into g2 dx. But in fourth formula, here 1 minus cos power n into ax by g1 c of x g2 dx is given. Here simple, here n is there, that n multiply with coefficient a square, na square by 2cd. Na square by 2cd. That is example, 1 minus cos cube 4x by sine 2x into sine 3x. Now na square, n is equal to 3. A square means 3 into 4 square. 3 into 4 square by 2cd, c coefficient 2, here coefficient 3, 2 into 2 into 3. Like this, simplify. Okay. Like this. Power is given, apply this. Power is not there, you don't take this one, n, a square by 2cd. If power is there, multiply with power, na square by 2cd. Here power is there, na square by 2cd. Here power is not there, a square by 2cd. Like this function is repeated. Okay, like this function, like this model is giving, apply that formula. Okay. Fourth one completed. Fifth one. Limit x tends to 0, cos ax minus cos bx by f of cx into g of dx is equals to, it is, this formula is b square minus a square by 2cd. b square minus a square by 2cd. Okay, same here also, coefficients only I am taking. Here example, limit x tends to 0, cos 3x minus cos 5x by x square. Cos 3x minus cos 5x by x square. Cos 3x minus cos 5x by x square means here b square means what is that? B square minus a square. B equal to 5. 5 square minus 3 square by 2cd. Here cd coefficients is not there. 2 into 1 into 1. Coefficients is there. Denominator only x square is there. Here coefficient is 1. 2 into 1 into 1. That is 5 square minus 3 square. 25 minus 9 by 2. Simplify. 25 minus 9 means 16 by 2. Like this functions, two functions, cos terms is given. If cos terms is given, cos ax minus cos bx by denominator two functions, multiplication is given, that formula b square minus a square by 2cd. Remember that. Sixth formula. Sixth one. Limit x tends to 0, cos power nax, same formula I am taking, fifth one repeating, fifth one only repeating, cos power n bx by g1 of c of x, g2 of d of x. In fifth formula, what is that? I am taking, now I am not taking power. In fifth formula, directly I am taken cos ax minus cos bx only I am taken. But in sixth formula, powers, cos power nax minus cos power nb of x by g1 c of x into g2 d of x. Once again, go to back. In third formula, if powers is there, that power is multiplied with coefficient only. Na? Here also same. N into b square minus a square by 2 times of c into d. N into b square minus a square by 2c. Here example, limit x tends to 0, cos cube 3x minus cos cube 5x by x square. Here n is equal to how much? 3 into 5 square minus 3 square by 2 cd. Coefficients are 1 into 1. Simplify, you getting answer. Like this. If powers is given, fifth, sixth compare. In fifth, powers is not there. In sixth, power is given. That power is multiplied with b square minus a square by 2 cd. That is the difference. Okay. Next. Limit x tends to 0, sixth one completed. Seventh one, limit x tends to 0, root of 1 plus x power n minus root of 1 minus x power n by x power n is equals to 1. Remember that. Limit x tends to 0, root of 1 plus x power n minus root 1 minus x power n by x power n value 1. Example, limit x tends to 0, root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square by x square. That answer is 1. Okay, like this, any problem is there, directly. Here powers are same, x square, x square, x square. Powers are same in root, therefore that answer is simple, 1 only. Next, eighth one, limit x tends to 0, root a plus x minus root a minus x by g of x equals to 1 by root a. Limit x tends to 0, root of a plus x minus root of a minus x by g of x. Here different functions is there. Here a is same. Then example, limit x tends to 0, root 3 plus x minus root 3 minus x by sin x. What is a here? Root 3 only, na? That is answer is 1 by root 3. Answer is 1 by root 3. A replace how much here? 3. Therefore answer is 1 by root 3. Like this function is given here. A replace what is there? 3 only. That answer is 1 by root 3. This is one formula. Okay. Next. Ninth one. Limit x tends to 0, root a plus x minus root a by g of x. That equals to 1 by 2 root a. 1 by 2 root a. Example like this. Limit x tends to 0, root 2 plus x minus root 2 by x. That is equals to 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2. Here a replace how much? That only. This like this function is given. Algebraic values. This is no trigonometric. Algebraic values is there in numerator. That answer is 1 by 2 root 2. That formula is 1 by 2 root here. Next. Very important formulas, na? 10th and 11th. Please see that. Limit x tends to a, f of x equal to 1, and limit x tends to a, g of x equal to infinity, then limit x tends to a, f of x power g of x equal to e power limit x tends to a, e power, that is e power limit x tends to a, g of x into f of x minus 1. This is the formula. By using this formula, what is the example? Very important formula. Almost in competitive exams, based on this formula, problems is given. Please observe, not at all. Please check any last 3, 4, 5 model papers you can check in this formula. What is the example I will discuss? Limit x tends to a, f of x whole power g of x equal to e power. This is e power limit x tends to a, g of x into f of x minus 1. You can apply this formula. When it is one function f of x, one function g of x is given. After that, after applying limit we get one first function, and second function after applying limit we get infinite. Then like this form is there, limit x tends to a, f of x whole power g of x. E form, given form is compulsory in this form only. F of x power g of x form is there, and limit x tends to a, f of x equal to 1, limit x tends to a, g of x equal to infinity, then apply this condition. When it is in this form only, f of x whole power g of x form is given, compulsory, this is satisfying or not, you can check. After applying limit, first function is 1, after applying limit, second function is infinity, and in this form is there, apply this condition. E power limit x tends to a, g of x into f of x minus 1. Example. Please see the example, very important. Example. Please see that. This is the problem. If limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax plus bx square whole power 2 by x, whole power 2 by x equal to e power 3, then a is equal to, small a equal to, asking limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax plus bx square whole power 2 by x, whole power 2 by x. This is the formula. Okay, 2 by x. This is the given question. The given question lo, this is the form of f of x whole power g of x or not. Please check that. 1 plus ax plus bx square whole power 2 by x like this form or not. F of x whole power g of x form only. Please compare that form only. Okay, that's why you can apply this condition. Okay, apply or not compulsory, you can check the two conditions before. What is the two conditions? Here f of x equal to, f of x equal to 1 plus ax plus bx square. Compare with this condition, f of x equal to how much? 1 plus ax plus bx square. G of x equal to how much? 2 by x. What is the, now we check the condition. What we check? Compulsory, first we check this one. Limit x tends to f of x 1 or not. Okay? First, a means how much is given? A how much is given? 0. Apply 0 first function. First of all, please see the solution. Please see the solution. Don't confuse. Please see the solution. Here, let f of x is equals to 1 plus ax plus bx square. G of x equal to power value 2 by x. After that, what is the first condition? You can check in compulsory, limit x tends to a, replace how much is given in given question, 0 is given, into f of x is equals to limit x tends to 0, f of x, apply f of x 0 can substitute in x replace 0, substitute 1 plus 0 plus 0. Getting 1 or not? Yes, you get 1. You get 1. And the limit x tends to 0, g of x that equals to 2 by 0. 2 by 0 means how much? And that is infinite. Two conditions are verified. One is 1, one is infinity. That's why you can apply this condition. Okay, please see that. After apply that condition, what is the a value? What is the question? What is the question? If limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax plus bx square whole power 2 by x equal to e power 3, then a equal to, that is the question. We got, okay, already we verified limit x tends to 0, f of x equal to 1 we got, limit x tends to 0, 2 by x equal to infinity we got. Okay, two conditions are verified. Now what is the condition? Now limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax plus bx square whole power 2 by x equal to, what is the condition? Here, what is the condition? Please remember this condition. E power, okay, limit x tends to 0, g of x. What is g of x? 2 by x into f of x minus 1. 1 plus ax plus bx square minus 1. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. E power limit x tends to 0, 2 by x into ax plus bx square. 2 by x into ax plus bx square. E power limit x tends to 0, 2 by x into, here x common, a plus bx. Here x cancel, we got e power limit x tends to 0, 2 into a plus bx is equal to, what is given? Equal to e power 3 is given. Equal to e power 3 is given. You can take an e power 3. After apply that, x tends to 0, x replace 0 here. X tends to 0 means e power, I am writing here. Now, 1 minute, here only I am writing. Now, please see that x replace 0, 2 into a plus b into 0 equal to e power 3. E power write down. E power write down. Here e power is there na? E power. Understand? X approaches to 0 means x replace 0. Then x approaches to 0, b into 0, 0. E power 2 into a. E power 2a is equals to e power 3. Here bases are equal, then powers equal. Then 2a equal to 3. A equals to how much? 3 by 2. That is the process. This is very important one. Mains question. This is mains exam already in last 2 years back asked like this type of question. Okay, what is the condition? Apply this condition. First you check these two conditions. First of all, given question is in this form or not? Yes, in this form only. F of x whole power g of x. After that, verify these two conditions. After that, apply that formula. Get answer 3 by 2. This is the process. Understand? Okay, very important concept. For sure, see this. Okay. Next, like that, one more example is this is also very important. 11th one also. Limit x tends to a, f of x equal to 0. Limit x tends to a, g of x equal to 0. Then limit x tends to a, f of x whole power g of x is equal to e power limit x tends to a, g of x into log f of x. This is the formula. Okay. Given function, this form, given question, this form, limit x tends to 0, f of x whole power g of x form is there. First you check these two conditions. We're getting 0, apply this formula. What is the formula? E power limit x tends to a, g of x into log f of x. Example, very important example. Very important. Please see that example. Limit x tends to 1, 1 minus x square whole power 1 by log 1 minus x. Whole power 1 by log 1 minus x. This is f of x whole power g of x form is there or not? First you check. This is right. This is f of x. This is g of x. F of x whole power g of x form. First you check these two conditions. What is the conditions? Now let f of x is equal to 1 minus x square. G of x equal to 1 by log 1 minus x. F of x equal to 1 minus x square. G of x equal to 1 by log 1 minus x. Now apply this first condition. Limit x tends to a. A replace how much is given? 1. F of x equal to, limit x tends to 1, f of x equal to, x replace 1 here. In f of x, we can substitute x replace 1. 1 minus 1 square, that equals to 0 we got. And the limit x tends to 1, g of x equal to 1 by log 1 minus 1. That is 1 by log 1 minus 1, how much? X replace 0, x replace 1, log 0. 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity means 0. Verified or not? Please take this 0, 0. You got verified. Verified. Now apply this formula. What is the formula? Limit x tends to 1, 1 minus x square whole power 1 by log 1 minus x is equal to e power. Okay. E power limit x tends to 1. What is that? G of x. What is g of x? 1 by log 1 minus x into log f of x. Log f of x. Log f of x means log 1 minus x square. First we simplify now. First we now simplify. E power, this simplify, please simplify that. E power limit x tends to 1 log 1 minus x square by log 1 minus x square by log 1 minus x. Correct or not? 1 by log 1 minus x into log 1 minus x square. Log 1 minus x square by log 1 minus x. E power limit x tends to 1 log 1 minus x square. Log 1 minus x square in inner 1 minus x square. One algebraic function is there. 1 minus x square. That 1 minus x square apply a square minus b square formula. 1 minus x square like 1 plus x into 1 minus x. Log of 1 plus x into 1 minus x. Log 1 plus x into 1 minus x by log 1 minus x. Bracket open. Log of 1 plus x into 1 minus x by log 1 minus x. E power limit x tends to 1. Log AB. Log AB formula. What is that? Log A plus log B. This is log AB formula. Na? Log AB equal to what is the formula? Log AB equals to logarithmic functions. Log A plus log B. Log A plus log B means log of 1 plus x plus log of 1 minus x by log 1 minus x. Now separate e power limit x tends to 1. Separate log 1 plus x by log 1 minus x plus log 1 minus x by log 1 minus x. Log 1 minus x cancel. X replace 1. X replace 1 here in power. X replace 1. Log e power log 1 plus 1 by log 1 minus 1. Log 1 power 1 e power log 1 plus 1 means log 2 by log 0. Log 0 undefined na? E power log 2 by infinite. Log 2 by infinite means e power 0. E power 0 means answer is 1. E power log 2 by infinite. Log 2 by infinite means 1 by infinite. Something by infinite means compulsory, that is 0. E power 0, that value is 1. This is the process. When it is f of x whole power g of x form is there, after limit applying, first function is 0, second function is 0, can apply this formula. E power limit x tends to a g of x into log f of x. This is the example. Okay. Next. Last and final. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. A1 power x plus A2 power x plus A3 power x plus so on an power x by n whole power 1 by x is equals to A1, A2, so on an whole power 1 by n. This is the formula. Here whole power 1 by n. Whole power 1 by n. Whole power 1 by n. Example. Limit x tends to 0, 2 power x plus 2 power 2x plus 2 power 3x by 3 whole power 1 by x. Here, what is A1, what is A2, what is A3? A1 is equals to 2, A2 is equals to 2 square, A3 is equals to 2 cube. Apply that formula. N is equal to how much? N equal to how much? Here n is equal to how many values is given? N equal to number of values. Here number of values is n values is given. Here number of values is 3. 1, 2, 3. That is n equal to 3. Okay, number of values is 3 is given. Apply that condition. What is the condition? What is the formula? This is the formula. Na? That is a1 2 into 2 square into 2 cube into 1 by 3. Simplify. That is 2 power 6 into 1 by 3. 2 into 4 into 8 whole power 1 by 3. That equals to, that is nothing but 2 power 6 only. This total 2 power 6 into 1 by 3. That is 2 power 6 by 3. That is 4 only. Answer. Answer is 4. Well, it is like this forms is given. Exponential functions. 2 power x, 2 power 2x, a power x form. A power x form, that is addition of a power x form. Compulsory take like this is there, like this is there, like this is there. Compulsory, what is the formula? A1, A2, so on. An whole power 1 by n. 1 by n. Here n is equal to number of values. Number of values. This is the 12th one. Okay. Last and final formula. Like the same, similarly write down. 13th. Similarly, limit x tends to infinite. Again exponential functions. A1 power 1 by x plus a2 power 1 by x plus a3 power 1 by x plus so on, an power 1 by x whole power by n whole power x whole power x is equals to same formula a1 a2 so on an whole power 1 by n. Like this also same formula a1 a2 so on an whole power. When it is limit x tends to infinite, last one is limit x tends to 0, 12th one. Here 13th one is limit x tends to infinity. Here a1 power 1 by x. In last one is a1 power x. That is a2 power x, a3 power x, like that. But here a1 power 1 by x, a2 power 1 by x, a3 power 1 by x. X tends to infinity is given. Same formula. That also same formula. a1, a2, a3, so on, an whole power 1 by n. Here also a1, a2, a3, so on, an whole power 1 by n. These are the total formulas. Okay, these are the total formulas, Nana. Okay, by using these formulas, so many problems is there. Okay, this compulsory, these 13 formulas compulsory, very important, useful, all exams, all competitive exams, all board exams, you can apply. And first you learn, compulsory you learn and practice the sums, practice the formulas, you're getting easily. Okay, limits, any problem you can solve by using this formula. Okay, thank you, thank you. Thank you for subscribing and sharing. Okay, share to all your friends my videos. Okay, any doubt is there, please comment me. I will give reply. Thank you.